There's a 20-second question from Digital SAT Test 3 Module 1. And it tells us a is greater than 30, and we're looking for solutions. When we're looking for solutions, we're looking for the x. The easiest way to do this is to use your answer choice. By that, I mean the Roman numerals. So I can put each of those in place of x and see if they work. So a minus 29 equals a minus a times a minus 29. And then a minus 29, I can't do anything with that, but a minus a is 0. 0 times a minus 29 will give you 0 on the right. A minus 29 equals 0. And then if you add 29 to both sides, you get a equals 29. Well, it says that a's got to be greater than 30. So a does not work. So I could eliminate all the answer choices where a doesn't work. A, B, and D. C's got to be my answer. See the full-length video, including the Desmos solution. And another way you could do this algebraically. Go to YouTube, Ivy Masters Learning Center, go to the playlist, and find Test 3 Module 1, the longer videos just above these shorter videos. And make sure you click subscribe and check out this other quadratic one for more practice. Have a great day.